Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. Stocks go up, stocks go down. They're pissed off at Snow because they didn't tell you CEO was looking to leave at some point, and they guided down by, from 28% growth to 22%. They said it was 28% year over year for the next 5-6 years, and now it's 22 with a new CEO. So not so good, but we seen it because it kept getting there. We were sitting on the 250s, and they were sitting at 7. And even if it went up $1, it wouldn't go to 8. It wouldn't go to 8. So you look at it and you're like, why won't it go to 8 if the earnings are going to be good? So didn't feel good about it, so we sold it and rolled with just profits. That's what we do. And that's how you become great. That's how you become great. If you get out of things, you look at stuff. Doesn't matter what you believe. It just matters what is, right? Doesn't matter what you believe. It just matters what is. Okay, just making sure you can hear me. Correct? Yes, we can hear you. There you go. Okay, very nice. So what happens now? So here's the theory. We're waiting for the PCE, so I'm going to just kind of rant here a little bit one way or the other. So when you're sitting there and you're waiting for stuff to happen, right? You need action to meet what the market says. Okay, the action on NVIDIA, now it actually went positive here. It got another upgrade, so that's really good. So remember, NVIDIA may do nothing till this March 17th, and then it goes nuts again. Well, it did this for 4 or 5 weeks, right? So you just gotta like wait it out, but you're not sitting there. People, when it ran yesterday at 778 right here, everybody said, are you buying them? I said no, because it hasn't proven to me it can get to 800 or get over. And same thing with SMCI. It hasn't proven it can move. So just wait and chill. Maybe it sits here, and maybe he sold an option that was at 5 and went to 100, and he lost 95 points, the guy on the floor. So maybe he's going to sit there and say, I'm going to take your 30 points, 150 points out of the money every week for the next 10 weeks, and he's going to get all his money back. Okay? So that's why you got to chill and wait. Okay? Guys, let me know when this. Hold on, let me turn it up. This PCE is coming. Okay. So the techs are not moving. Now, Meta, if you had Meta, it had a shot. It ran right away yesterday. Couldn't get out even. You could have got out even if you wanted, and then we see. Bitcoin, they're buying it. But it's very interesting. Coin, so Bitcoin goes up 6,000 and coin can't get over 211. Okay? Now, people are not listening. The CEO said massive surge in volume. That means more profits for them. I understand it went down, but definitely more profits for them, right? So if it can get through 211, it can really, really accelerate, okay? PCE, we want at 0.2. If it comes in at 0.3, we probably still rally. If it comes in at 0.4, probably not. VKPT did a secondary at 85, but VKPT is all about what happens in the next 5 weeks. If they have a pill form, it's really going to take off, okay? Snow, 2 theories on Snow. One is with the new CEO, they want to guide down so they can beat by huge. Maybe, but maybe not. Okay, so Snow is in a 4 to 6 week avoid range now. Okay, CRM is positive. It was down and now it's positive. So I would think 311 comes on CRM and then goes lower. Zscaler earnings today. If they guide down, Pan W is going to get crushed. I don't know if they're going to guide down or not. Then we see. But the theory is SMCI is deploying machines. Amazon Web Services, Meta, everybody else is putting them in. And the growth in Snow isn't insane. And it should be insane. That means something's not right. When something's not right, when something's not right, it's okay. You just relax and let it be. And you move on. Okay? What else we got? I think that's about it. for today. We got PCE coming in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So chill and wait. Maybe you have a nothing day, but think about it. We caught in a week that's nothing. We caught MicroStrategy and we sold them, but we banked $250,000, right? And the snow we sold, we bought and we sold, so about net even on that. Actually up just a little bit, and that's what you got. So today, if the PCE is at 0.2, they're going to buy techs. If it's not at 0.2, if it's 0.4, they're not going to buy techs. Okay? And maybe you have a week or 2 weeks of nothing. The other one you want to keep an eye on, if it's at 0.2, watch Carvana. Okay? And I'm not a big Carvana fan, but I'm just telling you, if the interest rates go down, people will say, oh my God, they're going to buy houses, they're going to buy cars, and everything else. Okay? So just keep an eye on that. What else? Lilly. If VKTX in 5 weeks comes out and tells you they have a pill form, Lilly can really drop 100 really, really fast. Okay? Bitcoin over 64.6 is 69. Jesus. At 69. Okay, so let's do some fast math here. We got 2 minutes. You have 193,000 Bitcoin on coin. So 193,000 Bitcoin they own. Times it by $100,000 a coin, if it goes to 100,000. That gives you 19.3 billion. 19.3 billion valuation. Well, MicroStrategy is worth, let's say, 12 billion. Okay? So at 12 billion, it goes up to 19 billion, so that's 7 billion. If you half the 12 billion that MicroStrategy is worth, this is how you do fast math. This is how Sam does this really fast in his head. So half of MicroStrategy is 6 billion. You're going to add 6 billion. 6 times 12 is 18 billion. But you say if it goes to 100,000, it's worth 19 billion, Sam. Right. So just add $500 to MicroStrategy, and you're at about $1,500, $1,600 if it were to get to $100,000 or higher. Okay? So just fast math, just fuzzy math. Nobody's saying it's going to happen. But when you're looking at things for happen, because what happens if 69,000 just busts and you get a rally that you haven't seen in your lifetime in Bitcoin? Here we go. Core PC. I don't hear it. What did it come in? Hold on. Did he not tell us what it is? NVIDIA's taken off. This PC has to be good. NVIDIA just popped 4. Did he just say 1%? Hold on a second, guys. You know, this Santelli, he's an idiot. Complete moron. Everybody in the world is looking for the PCE. He's like reading off a piece of paper. Income jump 1%. 2/10. What? No, that's real spending. What the hell is this guy doing? Hold on. Let me get to the chat room, see if somebody's posting it in there. How do we not report this yet? Is this crazy? Now on the 310 side, that's the highest level since September of last year. 0.4. Pay attention to. Now let's go back to the deflator. People are saying 0.4. Okay, and let's go. Let's go year over year. Core prices 2.8. Well, 2.8 is good. 4%, exactly as expected. Okay, but look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA just jumped 10. NVIDIA just jumped 10. SMCI just jumped 15. They like this. This is good. Let's see what happens when we get a big jump in that. Santelli's an idiot. It's just a complete moron. I mean, just, it is what it is. Okay? So snow is an avoid. NVIDIA is going. If NVIDIA gets over 800, look out. We can bust a move. Okay, that's what we know. That's what we know. Somebody's saying here, PanW sued for securities law violation. What does that mean? Don't know. They're saying 0.3 PCE. This is crazy. Everybody's sending me different stuff. Very nice. Okay. But what we know is NVIDIA took off. SMCI took off. This Bitcoin should really go. If it's actually that low, let me go look at Bitcoin price. What did it do? 62.2, but I'm delayed. Okay? Interesting. Okay. So that's what we know. SPX. Can it get over 5,100? If it can get over 5,100, go 5,109, 5,121, 5,152. Avago earnings next week, 1323, 1326, 1351. Okay? NVIDIA, 792, 803, 809, massive accelerator. ASML, 952, 972. Adobe still stuck in the range, not doing nothing. Need to price OpenAI and see what they're going to charge for their product. Lam Research, 952, 956. Huge number, 962. Here comes Carvana. Carvana may jump 10 on this number if it really, really goes, okay? So just keep an eye on that. We don't really even play it all the time, okay? VKTX, 93, 106. CRM, 301, 309. PanW, 309, 301. Zscaler, 221, 200, 182. Needs 252. CrowdStrike, 326, 331. Underneath, 306. Snowman, avoid, probably will touch 172 at some point. MicroStrategy, all about Bitcoin. If Bitcoin, runs to 65,000, look out. It runs all day, rips. And then we see coin, if it can get through 209, 211 is hard. Any close over 211 may have a 30-point day. Meta, trying again. It's going to try again. Does it pop to 491 at the open? Then we see. SMCI looks different. This was at 793 last night. Okay? If it can take out 856, maybe it runs to 900 and it comes back. Microsoft doing nothing, 411. NOW, 772. Tesla, 206 is a big number. Okay? That's what we know. This is starting to move. 5120 starting to move. SPX better. Everybody have a great trading day. See you in chat.